Okay, right, so we've got grapes. We don't know the price of the grapes. We know the apples are £2.40 per kilogram. So Paul buys 0.5 kilograms of grapes. He's got 0.5 of that. And he's bought 0.6 of the apples. Okay, and the total cost is £3.12. So work out the cost of 1 kilogram of grapes. Right, so let's have a look at this first. So if it's £2.40 per kilogram, and he's bought 0.6, what it would be is 2.4, or £2.40, we'll keep the 0 there if need be, times by 0.6. So we've got a calculator. These are calculator exams, so use a calculator. So 2.4 times 0.6 gives us an answer of £1.44. Okay, so the whole price was £3.12, so I'll do £3.12 minus the £1.44. That leaves us with how much he paid for his grapes, which would be £1.68. So £1.68 is 0.5 kilograms. So if we wanted per kilogram, all I'd do is I'd just think, right, well, 0.5, there's two lots, 0.5 plus 0.5 will get me to the 1. So I could just double that. So if I just times that by 2, I've got an answer of £3.36. What I could also do as an operation is I could do £1.68 shared by the 0.5 and that would give me the same answer, £3.36. By making £3 side there. Okay.